Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again for another review and another unboxing. Today I got another unboxing for you. Scream Mask, guys. Got this bad boy off eBay. Steal price. Couldn't be more happier. Let's get down to the unboxing. Let's see what we got. I already unpacked it. It was a fantastic faces, but I'm not sure if it's Gen 1 or Gen 2. Based on all the details I'm seeing from what it is, this baby looks like to be Gen 1. Holy fuck. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Whoa. Definitely very, very small. Looks like I'm gonna have to measure it, guys, and get back to it, but this definitely looks like a Gen 1. Let me put this on the head now. Let you see it. Alright, guys, it's on the display mannequin head. Reshaped it. It was a little bit out of shape. I reshaped it. It looks like it is Gen 1. 11 inches from top to bottom. Okay. Here, but this is mostly very common. Here, the fantastic faces are really strong. Perfect condition for some of the some of them I drown.